Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox extensions. First, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and navigate to its respective web store. Search for Roblox extensions to find a wide variety of tools. Before adding, always check the extension's reviews and the permissions it requests. Once you've found one you like, simply click Add to Browser and confirm the installation. It's a straightforward process that takes less than 1 minute. Once installed, managing your extensions is simple. You can usually find an extensions icon, often a puzzle piece, in your browser's toolbar. Clicking this allows you to quickly enable or disable extensions with a single click. To access more detailed settings, right-click the icon or go to your browser's extension management page. Here, you can customize features, grant specific site access, or completely remove any extensions you no longer need, keeping your browser tidy. Roblox extensions offer a fantastic range of features to enhance your experience. Many provide visual customizations, letting you change themes or user interface elements with dozens of options. Others offer practical tools like improved trading statistics, item value trackers, or even game-specific utilities that give you an edge. Some focus on safety, blocking unwanted ads, or providing content filters. These additions can truly transform how you interact with the platform, making it more personalized and efficient. To ensure a safe and smooth experience, always practice good extension hygiene. Only install extensions from reputable sources with high ratings and many users. Regularly review the permissions each extension has, ensuring they only access what's necessary. Keep your extensions updated, as developers often release security patches. Most importantly, never share personal account information through an extension, and if something feels suspicious, uninstall it immediately. Your online safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.